Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about an official post, right, put out by the security forces, right, JCF, JDF, Crime Stop, right, all of them. It's very interesting. If you've been supporting the movement for a while, it shouldn't really come as news. But enough time when you see it make official sources, at them time enough people believe it. Because as you know, I'm just a little YouTuber. My main thing is to be a bad man scammer, fight against artists and make up things to get views. So when the official people say certain things, maybe the public take it more serious. I also want you to stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you about a very important update to the channel. There's a milestone coming up, and to celebrate it, we're going to do something, right, everybody together. It's going to be interactive. The people can actually vote and have a say. You want to hear what that is at the end of this video. So, we can move into the post that was put out. Right. Now, this one is very interesting. If you have followed the channel a long time, you always hear me say it. This concept of Informa, where Jamaicans love Java, it's one of the most popular things a year. Sir, be an Informa. And I always telling us, say, I can only dream of being as big an informer as your favorite Don. The man them wanna rate the most, man them wanna big up the most, but them are the biggest informer. The idea that, civilians are informers, from day one man telling you, say, that's laughable. Your favorite criminals are the biggest informers. Any one of the octanes them you can think of, kerosenes, them give the most information. Long time I tell you, say, stop make criminals shame on you, right, with this informer title. Because what them really do is reverse psychology. Them knows that them give the most information. They actually want a monopoly on informing. Them want to be the only people to inform. And why should they be the only ones to give the police information? You see, the JCF put it out. Gunmen are the biggest informers. For many Jamaicans, this is probably news. This is not news for the PIA or the Patron squad. Nobody no give information like the people them who tell us them will kill you if you give information. Nobody no inform more than the people them who tell us them will kill you if you inform. Think of any gang you want, and them give police the most information. You see, it only makes sense. Who actually know about the details of criminal organizations? A civilian can maybe spot when time bigger crime shoot somebody. Maybe them just so happen to be on the scene. But that's the most them can do, see when time into the shooting. But the nitty gritty details, which part the gun hide and them thing there, police just go find gun out of nowhere. Civilians don't know them thing there. Criminals know them thing there. It's just that their quote-unquote informing is tied too much pressure you put them under. And when time they try to save them own skin. Nobody no give information, right, upon criminals like criminals. This is one of the worst kept secret in all of Jamaica. And this is not unique to Jamaica either. Look on Cosa Nostra. When time they sink Cosa Nostra, when time Uncle Sam drop up them RICO laws and start bringing witnesses, who did I give FBI intel? The same Cosa Nostra man. It's a lie. It's a lie, say, bad man no inform. That's unicorn meat. You see the whole informer for dead culture? Jamaicans push it because, right, them hear it in a song and then just repeat it. But in the same Jamaicans say, they say, we need to solve more crimes. Make up on the mind. If we're not going to say people who call police and give police information for dead, then all crime are going to solve. Does that make any sense to you at all? You want crime solved, but you want informer for dead. People just hear a song, hear lyrics, and repeat it. Remember, you've heard many informer for dead songs. You can make a song say informer for dead tomorrow, put it out, and nothing happen. Because apparently, People who call police and give police information are not human beings. So all the favorite human rights groups, all your activist groups, none of them, right, no waste no time or resources to protect, right, quote unquote informers. These are the same people who, if you say Spratford dead, all of a sudden them turn up. All of a sudden them say this is murder music and we cannot allow to say these kind of things about human beings. Apparently informers are not human beings. Nobody is motivated, right, to protect quote unquote informers. It's just words, it's just expression, it don't mean nothing. You've never found that interesting? Your favorite human rights groups who tell us, no, we don't have no problem with fighting crime. We just stand for protecting humans and protecting life, and we don't want to hear nobody preach violence against a certain group, but you've never heard them defend informers. You don't find that strange? So, when people say, the PIA informer, sure PIA informer, that's real strange because the people who you idolize are the ultimate informers. The 87 when you claim say you rate, big time informer. Your favorite Dan, big time informer. Your favorite artist, big time informer. The PIA can only aspire to get to that level of informing. You'll never believe how much time your favorite Dan send 87 for an operation. When time the operation get too ugly and the gang come under pressure, the same Dan call the police and say, say, a sci-fi do it. And him live down the one lane right there. So yeah man, him normally did about 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock because after 9 o'clock, him left and go hide in the bush. So make sure you catch him by 9. You don't find it strange how police catch certain man. Certain man and nobody when they come into them know them there. All of them favorite criminals, all them fellow 87s know for them there. All the Dan know for them there and police find them. You don't find that strange sometimes. Your favorite criminals are the biggest informers. Your favorite artists, right? Nothing make him happier than sending an 87 for the apps. And when time things get spooky and pressure come down, see a man make the call. Yeah man, him live around there so man. You know nothing about me. We say, me not under pressure? Alright, yeah man, big up yourself, Steve Squaddy. And then go make one song saying informer for dead. It's all a big joke to me, right? Because the joke is on you, Jamaica. Yeah, informer. As me say, I can only wish to be as big as the informer, as your favorite Dan, as your favorite artist. People of Jamaica should stop, right? Make this title stop them from give the police information. Criminals and their associates throw around that word, right, because they don't want a competition. They want when time them call 311, the line is free and open. So them can talk as long as them want. Because it look like say 311 too busy. It look like say when time them call and the line, too much people up on the line so they can't get through. They want the line free so them can give all the information in the world. Anybody can tell you, put a 87 on a little pressure. Not even water commission pipe leak, so don't fall for the hokey dokey. Gunmen are the biggest informer. The man them tell you say they kill the man them who go around and kill informer are the biggest informers. The man that who tell you say don't tell the police nothing as liquor pressure reach them, right? Down a station, I call name, right? And then afterwards you touch back the road, right? And then you say you're a bad man. It's just that people in the community still afraid of you. This is what you have to understand. And people say, well, if they man the informer, how come the man not nothing? Who are going to do something? The regular residents? You see, when I understand how gang life work, 5 man of the gang. As long as they not inform on each other, right? As long as them quote unquote inform on somebody when they're in the gang or somebody where them agree say, right, they not like again, then it's alright. Only when time them give information and people who are still popular in the gang is it a problem. Let me repeat that. Informing is only a problem when time them tell police, right, something, right, about people who are still popular. If a man fall out, right, with him gang, right, he might 87, but he might him fall out for whatever reason or him do something what them never like, right, and one of the 87 them will give police information, right, and police go for him. The rest of the gang now do nothing because them agree say that man, right, is now a liability. Once the 87 become a liability, him owner boys them push him out. Your favorite than an informer. Your favorite quote unquote bad man informer. So why should regular civilians be ashamed to be informers? I'm already telling you, say, the whole informer title, when you really break it down on who's a snitch and all them things, it cannot really apply to regular civilians anyway. Because regular civilians don't live by bad man code. Regular civilians do not abide by no bad man law. Don't talk to police, a bad man law. Civilians don't abide by bad man law. And the same quote unquote bad man name, right, attack to the law. This title is a joke. This title that is used to shame people into not, right, talking to the police and giving information, or to shame people, right, from helping the police solve certain cases. The man them who tell them to say informer for dead. Right? If something goes so, they may drop down first. Right? If them say lightning for strike informer, lightning that strike them first. Anyway, we could talk about the channel update. On May the 3rd, right, it's going to be 3-year anniversary for the movement. In order to celebrate this milestone, I'm going to drop a special video. That video will be listing the 10 greatest videos that ever dropped. And it will be you who decide the 10 greatest videos. Let me explain to you how it works. Today, which is Friday, this video drop on the Friday, click on the channel like you look for video, but then look for the part as a community. Click on that and you're going to see, right, it's nomination day. In the comment section for that post, just nominate the video them, right, don't go over 10. Don't bother write 100, right, videos. Another time to go through that, one person at least 100 videos. Don't go no more than 10. Each person put on 5 to 10 videos, what them favorite videos. That's nomination day. We just nominate the 10. I will then go through it, and then a couple days, right, probably Sunday, I will then put up a poll, like election, on those 10 videos when you will vote again. Right. So, just to be clear, today is nomination day, so you get today and tomorrow to just nominate your favorite videos, And when I say greatest, I mean videos that are the most impactful. Right, because I know people link me all the time that certain videos have real impact on them life. You used to link me all the time, say, them that do this and them left go do this and join this and take up this after them watch certain videos. Them type of video me I talk. I'm not talk necessarily the most popular in terms of, right, numbers. The greatest videos we I talk about, most impactful videos. I have my idea, right, what is the top 10. But when you vote, right, then you will see on the 3rd, we're going to put it out. Do not Instagram DM me. Just go to the post, nominate, a couple days time, vote. I want to see which videos the people them, right, of Jamaica, yard and abroad. I want to see which videos want to designate, right, as the top 10 greatest videos so far on the channel. And every year we're going to repeat this. It's going to be a regular thing now for the anniversary. Fly spear. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, I don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.